This is the drill video for Core English Level 1, Video 1, Word Beginning Sounds, Drill 1. Say the word. What sound do you hear at the beginning? Sun. That's S. Dog. That's D. Map. That's M. Ball. That's B. 10. That's T. Fan. That's F. Cake. That's K. Pen. That's P. Net. That's N. Hat. That's H. Lemon. That's W. Zebra. That's Z. Goat. That's G. Van. That's V. Jam. That's J. Well done! Learning the beginning sounds helps you read and spell new words. Keep practicing and watch the next lesson when you're ready.